Stock market is the place where very few people have made their fortunes, but it is also the place where most of the people have burnt their hands. Stocks are often quoted as a way to get rich quick, but they're more like a way to get poor quick. In this video, we will talk about pump and dump scheme, one of the most common investment fraud to which most of the retail investors fall prey. If you are not familiar with the term, pump and dump scheme is a kind of investment fraud in which a person or group of persons artificially inflate the share price of a company by spreading false or misleading information, and subsequently they sell their own shares at a higher price, leaving other investors with worthless or overvalued shares. Let us try to understand with the help of an example. The first step in the pump and dump scheme is to identify a penny stock generally having a market cap of less than 200 crores. Penny stocks are those stocks which are having a share price of less than 20. Now, why fraudsters will choose only penny stock? Because penny stocks are the way to easily trap the investors. Investors generally have a common misconception that penny stocks will give great moves. They often believe that the stock having a price of 5 can easily reach 100, but it is difficult for the stock having a share price of 500 to reach up to 1000. This psychology makes the investors easily fall into the trap. Also, the scammers will choose the stocks having a small market cap of generally less than 200 crores. Because in the small cap stocks, even a few crores of trading activity can significantly move the share price. But the same is not possible for the large cap stocks like Reliance, Infosys, Tata Motors, etc. Once the target stock has been selected, now the scammers will start buying large number of shares at the prevailing low prices. They then make use of various tactics to create buzz around the stock by spreading false information, like the company has got thousands of crores of project, or some foreign investors has invested the money in the company, etc. Traditionally, the scammers used to send fake SMS or emails to the public. But today, with the large adoption of the social media platforms, they are using the platforms like YouTube, Twitter, etc. to make the exaggerated claims about the company. As the hype builds, the new investors are attracted to the stock, which will drive up the share price. Once the share price reaches a certain level, the fraudsters sell their shares, realizing a profit while leaving the other investors with overpriced or worthless shares. The price of the stock often crashes soon as the false information is exposed and the hype dies down. In the recent times, SEBI investigated a alleged pump and dump scheme in which some well-known celebrities are involved by manipulating the share price of the company named Sadhana Broadcast. In this case, the fraudsters used YouTube as a medium for spreading the false information about the company, and they are successfully able to manipulate the share price from rupees 5 to rupees 30. And at that level, the fraudsters have sold all their shares, leaving other investors with these overly priced shares. Soon after, the share price of the company crashed back once again to the levels of 5. So this pump and dump scheme is not just prevalent in the stocks, this is also a most common kind of scam which happens in the cryptocurrencies. And one recent example is Squid Game cryptocurrency. So how can you avoid falling victim to pump and dump scheme? Here are a few tips. First, don't believe everything you hear or read about a stock. Do your own research before investing. Second, be aware of unwanted investment advices or offers. If someone you don't know or trust is trying to tell you something about a particular stock, the best thing which you can do is walk away. Finally, keep your emotions in check. Don't get caught up in the hype and frenzy surrounding a stock. Remember that investing is a long-term game and you should have a solid strategy in place. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. Thanks for watching.